Hi guys, Aisha Robinson here, and I am back to give you a quick tutorial on how to make award-winning posts for your social media platforms or for other platforms that you may want to put posts on in a matter of minutes. Now you see that I have what's called Canva up. I'm not sure if you're familiar with that or if you heard of it, but it is a site where you can go and create different types of templates. You can create postcards, you can create flyers. There's just an abundance of things that you can do on this site. It is free, but there is also a paid side. Okay, so what you want to do, if you do not already, you want to go to Canva and create you a free account. Okay, it's going to ask for some general information, your name, your email, things like that. Once you create a free Canva account, it's going to take you here. This is my Canva account. This is one of the accounts that I use to make some of my my posts. Don't mind this. I am a pro. It says I need to update my details. I'll get that taken care of. I really wanted to make this on a free account though, to show you that it can be made on a free account. Okay. So the first thing that I do, and that you probably want to do, is you want to decide what kind of design you're going to make. I am going to do, so see, they have stuff like Instagram stories, Instagram posts, but I am going to create a design from here, and I'm going to do a Facebook post. Okay, so once you get over here, you're going to have your blank platform to work with. On this platform, you can do anything. You can add color, you can go to background, you can add color, you can change color, you can go to elements, you can do lines and shapes. I'm just giving you some quick examples. I can put a rectangle on there, see, and it'll come up. I can change the color of the rectangle if I want to. I can turn the rectangle around. I can move the rectangle. I can place it however I want to place it, okay? Just give you an idea of some of the things you can do free-handed. But what I'm going to show you today, it is going to be using templates that are already together. So I'm using this button to go back and take out everything that I started to get back to this blank slate. Okay? Okay, so the first thing I want to do is go to uploads. Now, because I'm going to uploads because I'm going to be inserting a picture into my post. So I picked my picture that I wanted to upload and I uploaded it to my computer. So here are some examples of things that I've uploaded to my computer. This is my Bitmoji, a picture of me with no background. And if you want to learn how to take a background out of a picture for free, that will be on another tutorial as well. Because this picture was like this, and then I took the background, put it on a white background, just playing with things. So, okay, I have my image up here because I want to take my own image and I want to insert it into the template. So I uploaded that, and the way you do that, you just go to Upload Media. It's going to take you to your computer. You just pick something from your computer that you probably already had downloaded, and you open it, and it'll upload over here, and it'll be in your little library until you delete it, okay? All right, so what I'm going to do is go to templates, and I'm going to find a free template. We're going to go under For You. Now, I don't know what's under here, what's free, what's pro, but I want to do this all free so that you know that you don't have to pay for this if you don't want to, okay? It can be done in the free spot. That's free, but I don't like that color. I'm really picky about my colors. I probably can just change the background. I probably can. But I kind of want something that's already got a beautiful, bright color to it. Okay, I didn't find anything on there, so I'm going to go down to something else. Let's go to birthday. Birthday, I know we can insert pictures into. Well, we can insert pictures into anything, but yeah. Okay. That's free. Let's do this one. All right. So I clicked on it, and it automatically put it over to my canvas. And so you see that there's another gentleman in here, his picture. some wording, hello honey, some little dots on the side, very cute already. I don't want to change this too much, though I could, but I don't want to, okay? So now I'm going to go to uploads, and I'm going to take my picture. There's two ways to do this. You can check it, or you can hold it down and drag it. I'm just going to check it. Well, I'm going to drag it because I want to drag it to this part of the canvas, okay? So I'm going to hold it down and I'm going to drag it over, and bam, there I am. It has completely replaced me. It doesn't show anything of him in the background. It just shows me, which is what I like. And because I removed the background, it is just the outline of me and not, anything in the background obstructing this picture. Perfect. Okay, so now I want to change the text. Let's say it's not my birthday and I want to say, let's see, I do a lot of affiliate marketing, so join me now. Okay, so now just change that. And also have the option, I can highlight that. I can go up and down with the letters, and I can also change the color. I like the color, but I'm going to show you that the color can be changed. And if you don't see a color that you like, you can always go to document colors. I love purples, so let's do that. Okay, so now I've changed that to join me now. Anywhere where you see a box, pretty much, you can change it. So hello honey, gas to go. So I'm going to say, let's see. I don't know what to say here. If I even have to put anything there, I can take it off. But I want to say, And see, I'm just kind of freestyling this. This is something that you can do. It may take you a minute to decide on what you want to say and how you want to say it. But yeah, it's just all in the fun of sitting down and creating something that you're going to like. So I'm going to say, blessed. Okay, let's do that. And I want to change that color too. I'm going to go with the purple. And then I don't like it because it's not, you can't see it. And I wanted to bold it, but this particular wording on this picture will not allow me to bold it because you see it's grayed out. So what I'm going to do is make it a little bit bigger. Bam. I still don't like that color. Let's try another color. Let's try that gold. Okay. Blessed. All right. So now I've changed the picture. I've changed the wording here, and I've changed the wording here. Now for this, I love you so much. I can, oops. Oh, and that's another thing. You can move this around. You don't have to have it sitting where it's at. If I wanted to move this up here and move my picture, well, let's see. Can I move the whole frame? Picture and me together? It's already a template. Okay, so look, I can move this down here and it can grab my picture and put me back up in there and just position myself. And then I can put join me now, and I can move blessed over here. See how it moves separately because it's two different things. I can change the color of this. Wait. You see where the box outlines? Wherever the box outlines at, that's the area that you're working on. I don't want to work on that area. I want to work on this area. So, where's my colors? Oh, it won't let me. Sometimes it won't let you change things just because that is how they have put it in there. Yeah. So don't be discouraged if that happens. You can just go find another template or something else. You can start over. Take your time. Have fun with it. Work with different movements. See what you like best. And then still don't want to say I love you so much. Every time I try to get down to no. Here we go. Okay, now I'm in the box. I'm going to backspace that. I just want to take it out. And I want to say, join me now. And then I feel like my picture inside is a little crooked. Let's straighten it out a little bit. All right. And then I can do some other fun stuff with it if I want to. I can go to elements and I can go to borders. I love borders. Borders sometimes I feel like just really make it pop. But it's just really up to what you like. Silver border. Let's try it. So I'm going to move that over here. Nope, I don't like that. So I'm going to undo that. I can use a side border. I kind of like to use individual borders instead of like this because sometimes they don't stretch out to the picture, you know? So I'm going to use a side border. I'm going to bring that over here. All right, and now I'm going to pull it. There it go. Yeah, sometimes it'll disappear on you too. Pull it over. Make sure it's up though. Where'd it go? Nope, I'm not using that. I'm a little impatient, guys. I'll change my mind really quick. Like, nope, not using it. Let's see. Let me find another one. I kind of want a straight line border. Something that's not animated. Let's just go with photos. Yeah. Okay, let's take all the animation off right now because I'm not doing animation at this point. This is just showing you all how to create an award-winning social media post using an image. Now I can't find no lines. Well, thought I would be able to show you all something. I don't like this, but I'm going to use this. So let's use this. All right. And you see how it gets bigger based on where I put it at? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this over to the side. Then I'm going to extend it down again. And then I'm going to copy it. And then I'm going to click right there and paste it. And there's another one on top. And I'm going to move that over to the side. And then I'm going to go paste again. And there's another one over there. Oops. And I'm going to grab that one and turn it because I want it at the top. I'm going to turn it. But if you make a mistake and you want it the same size that you had it and you don't want to figure it out, just use this back button right here. It'll take it right back to where it's at. Okay, and then I'm going to paste again. And I'm going to grab it and I'm going to turn it for the bottom. And I'm going to drag that down there. And drag that out there. All right, so I'm going to use that and I'm going to download it. I'm going to press that arrow there. It's going to be in a PNG. I'm going to download it to my computer. And see, you watch it download from here. You'll probably get some type of pop-up before it's done, see? And you can look at it or you can just click up out of it. And now I'm going to open it. And let's see what it looks like off of the Canva site. Beautiful. Actually, I kind of like that. Beautiful. Maybe I would move this up a little bit. And that's the thing about it. If I don't like it, I can go back over here and I can just edit it and re-download it. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial on Canva and how to make award-winning posts. I hope it was very entertaining for you. And I thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content and more tutorials on how I work my business and work things into my business and do more or less like attraction marketing. Okay. Thank you all. This is Aisha. I am signing out and you all have a wonderful day.